Options trading doesn't have to be risky or confusing. In this four-part series, I'm showing you one of the safest, most flexible option strategies out there, the wheel. If you're new to options or just want a strategy that pays you to be patient, this one is worth learning. The wheel is a simple, repeatable strategy. Step 1, sell a cash-secured put, which means you're agreeing to buy 100 shares of a stock at a set price, and you get paid for making that agreement. Step 2, if you are assigned to buy the shares, you sell a covered call, agreeing to sell the shares at a set price. Again, you get paid for that agreement. Step 3, if the shares get called away, you can go right back to step 1. You're rolling through a cycle like a wheel, generating income every time it spins. What makes this strategy so appealing is that you are only trading stocks that you already want to own. No gambling on unknowns. And if it's a dividend-paying stock, even better, because you get paid just for holding it between trades. So you are potentially earning money three ways: from the options premiums, from the dividends if you're assigned to buy the stock, and from capital gains when the stock is sold at a higher price. In later videos, I'll show you how to roll positions and use this strategy with real money, but today, let's keep it simple. Let's see what this actually looks like on the thinkorswim trading platform. I have pulled up NVDA. It is a solid company with lots of options interest, so it's really easy to buy and sell both shares and options. I'm going to navigate here to the options chain and open the chain. And I'm looking out to June 20th. With the $130 strike. There is a bid or an offer of $5.95 a share. Here we can see that the order filled at $5.95 a share. I go to my trade log where I have entered the details of the trade. This is a contract that will be open for 30 days, and it's being secured with $13,000 or $130 a share times 100 shares. I received $594.34 for the contract. And now all I have to do is wait for June 20th and see if I am assigned to buy the shares. If I am, I'll pay $130 a share for them, and then I can turn around and sell a covered call. And for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to show you what that trade might look like. In this account, I have 200 shares of NVDA, and for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to say that I was assigned to buy 100 shares last Friday, paying $135 a share for them. I'm going to sell a covered call with a strike price of $135, expiring on June 20th. Again, I go to the options chain, open up the June 20th date, and look for a strike price of $135. I can generate $7 a share for these shares. Even though I entered an order of $6.95 a share, it filled at a price of $7.05 a share. So I just made $704 and some change after trading fees. And I know we're not talking about annualized returns yet, but I am just going to show you that a $704.34 return on $13,500 is equivalent to a 63.48% annualized return. And that is the foundation of the wheel strategy. Sell a put, possibly get assigned, sell a call, and repeat. In part 2, I'll show you how to choose strike prices that let you not only collect income, but also buy low and sell high.